Hi, it's Scott. Welcome back to another drone video. This was lunchtime. I was getting ready to take lunch, and I had some time, and it was nice. There weren't very many winds. Nothing very eventful about this flight, although about a minute and a half, I almost completely lose signal for some reason. And I'm going to do something a little different than I normally do in the videos. I'm going to show you what it looked like to me when I almost lost the drone, and what it was doing. I'll kind of superimpose that. So anyway, short flight, nice day, nothing too exciting, but enjoy.